To write a blog post, navigate to the Blogs section. First, write the title for your blog post. Second, write URL name of your blog post. Select the relevant category for your blog post. Write the content of your blog post. Add featured image. Add relevant keywords and tags. Save the blog post when you're finished.